Good morning, everyone. We are at the Aliner display in Elkhart, Indiana. And today we're going to bring you something a little bit different. We've seen lots of teardrop trailers out there. This is almost a reverse teardrop. And if you look at it, think about the design. Really smart. Rounded to the front, get air up and around the trailer itself. But the key behind these is if you want something small, you want something lightweight, this trailer weighs in at about 1,700 pounds. So you have a ton of tow vehicles available. You can see there's a solar panel mounted up front, and you do get a rooftop air conditioner, so you don't have to rough it in order to be small and lightweight. Aluminum rims. It's an aluminum construction with fiberglass siding. Our entry is here at the back. We have a nice awning that can be pulled out, and there's even an outside shower for you to use. And on those cold nights, there's a furnace on board. But really, you want to see inside. So let's take you in. £1,706 pounds. First thing you have when you come in, you're going to have a nice mini fridge here. Has a little freezer section as well, so you can take some ice cream, etc. with you. We can unlock our drawer. Unlock our drawer. Nice little deep drawer here. Your water heater, water pump switches, all right here. When we come up, we can flip up and expose 2 propane burners for cooking and a stainless steel sink. And of course, the glass tops just allow you to have more prep space. We have a hood vent to vent out while we're cooking and a microwave. As I mentioned, rooftop air conditioner for those hot days. But something unique that I liked is that they have a wet bath in here in this size of a unit, and they have a separate wet bath, so you don't have to give up that luxury. You have your toilet, you have your shower, so if you like to get out and mountain bike, you jog, whatever it is, you can stay refreshed. Nice dinette scenario here that converts over for sleeping. So you have a really good sleeping area, and you can see where your feet would go. They've actually built up some cabinets here, put a TV for entertainment purposes for those rainy days, or if you like to fall asleep watching a movie. And then that gives you some additional storage, and I'm going to pan through so you can actually see the storage there right through for gear. But on top of that, they've put some cross shelving here on both sides of the unit with an additional storage cupboard, so you can put some plates and glasses in there. And they've utilized the space really, really well. Looks like Lexan glass windows here, so keeping in theme of being very light but having windows that can open for cross ventilation. And then there's even our night shades for privacy, or you go out mountain biking, you don't want the sun beating in, heating the trailer up, put up the shades, keep that heat out of the trailer. So if you're in the market for something small, you've got a tow vehicle that pulls 2,200 pounds, weighing in at 1,706 here, this Aliner Escape ST, or Grand Escape ST I should say, is possibly a great little option to be able just to get away and do some camping. Not a big budget, not having to have big tow vehicles, but going out and having big experiences in life. Bringing you a quick short walkthrough video of the Grand Escape ST. Check out Aliner's website for more information, or call your local dealer. Thank you very much for viewing the video. Please click the like and subscribe button. We greatly appreciate the support. We look forward to seeing you back at the channel. And remember what I say all the time, make sure that you live life to the fullest each and every day. Take care.